So hi everyone. Good morning. Today is another day. Where's my one earrings? Is oh, is missing. My one earrings is missing. I research this later. Nasa kwarto natin yung hair ko. Look at my hair. It's got a short hair. It's a short hair. Grabe. Hindi talaga bagay sa akin yung short hair. Okay, pag mag-strip. Bumili ako ng black na yung shampoo ba? Yung pangtina ng pang, yung kulay itim para umitim itong kulay. Hindi ako namali ko ang pagtimpla kaya tinatin ko na lang. I threw it because I'm mistaken to mix the color. So that's why I threw the color. Bibili na lang. I buy it again. Bibili na lang ako ulit. Kalimutan ko ito kahapon. Ngayon, nagpunta kami sa um, market kahapon. Hindi ko na hindi nabili. Ako nakabili, nakalimutan. I forgot to buy the blackening shampoo yesterday in the afternoon. Anyway, may dalawa pa daw bagyo na dumating. We have a two typhoons coming. Two typhoons coming. Sabi nila, iwan ko kung anong pangalan ng bagyo. Kaya pala ang cloudy pa ba? So cloudy, but no rain. It's cloudy, but no rain. Diba? Kailang, napakita ko sa inyo yung nabili, parcel, the package of my daughter's shoes, school shoes. It closed one. Okay. You see, this is a 34 size. The name is Shuta. Shuta, the name of the shoes. It is good for the... Aray, nadalhin natin sa labas. Naganda din naman siya. Ano ba? Ilang siya sa paa. Mag-glossy. Glossy na yan. Hindi na kailangan maglagay ng pampa kinis ng shoes. Because it's already shiny. It's at 34. Premium shoe look at. Glossy. So, 34 size. Shoota. Premium shoota. Kasya din naman to sa tamang-tama lang ang kasya. Sa paa ko. Kasing magkaparihan na kami ng paa ng anak ko kasi. Ayan. Oh, look. Kasyang-kasya ko rin. Ang sapatos na ito. Try natin. Try natin suotin. Okay, it's a glossy shoes. No allowance yet. shoes of my daughter. Looking good. Kasyang-kasya lang din sa akin, diba? Pero ito, medyo maluwag to sa ano, sa paa na. Slightly loose to my daughter. This one. But for me, it's not loose. So looking good. Nice one. Nice shoes this. Nagustuhan din ng anak ko. Nagustuhan din niya. Shoes. So, okay na to. Mura lang ang pagkabili ko nito. It's 215, 215 PHP. 215 PHP. So, mura lang. With shipping na siya. Mura lang ang pagkabili ko nito. So, di ba? Ano kasi siya, guma pa. It's a leather. Ay, no, hindi siya leather. Yung plastic. Pero smooth. Smooth siya. Smooth na. Hindi ba yung sulit na plastic? No. It's a smooth plastic. Smooth din sa footage dito ba sa ano? Talampakan. Smooth din. Baka na napikas din napitan. Amay. Ano niya? Kasi, diba? Nagustuhan din ng anak ko. So, thank you for this. Sinuotan niya. Sinuot na niya to kanina. Tanghali na ngayon, umuwi siya. Kasi magla-lunch break. Tapos mga quarter 1 p.m. come back in school. Babalik na naman siya sa school. So, ito na naman niya. Dumating kasi ito kahapon. Yesterday's I received this package. This parcel. So, yun. That's the for today's videos. Anyway, this month is nutrition month. It is a nutrition month for today's month of July. So, yun ko. Sabi ng anak ko is, ano daw, pupunta daw kami bukas sa school. Kasi kami daw yung magluluto ng mga gulay. Kami daw yung magluluto ng ano, magluto sa gulay. Akala ko sa 31 tayo. Whole day ba? Pala. It's a feeding month. It's a feeding month. It's a feeding nutrition month. It's a feeding day. So, sa 31 kasi, yun ang whole na, oo, nabago pala siguro yung ano, kasi sabi ng ano ko, kanina na, punta kami daw doon bukas, kasi kami ang magluluto sa mga gulay said my daughter, said my daughter earlier, cook the vegetables tomorrow for their lunch break. It's a nutrition month. So, sa meeting namin, sabi, sila lang daw ni ma'am, sila lang daw magluluto, pero maybe it's a change man. Kami daw yung magluluto. Okay. Ano na lang ako, no? Chat na lang ako. Hindi mag-chat si ma'am. Chat ko si ma'am na ito bang kami ang mag-book for tomorrow's feeding. Para punta ako doon. Sana hindi mag-ulan bukas. Sa Manila pa naman sila sa part of Luzon. Ako, nag-ano naman. Tide. High tide. High tide. No high tide ha. It's a baha. It's a baha. Water can wash out. Can't wash out. The water is getting inside all over the house. Pumapasok na yung mga water sa loob ng bahay doon sa part of Luzon. Sa Manila. That's kind of calamities. It's ganang naranasan ko rin yan. I feel that kind of calamity that the water is flow. Yes, getting inside a house. And it's so hard to clean because may mga balabod ba because of the mud. It's a mud. Stay inside the house, so you need to get the water and wash it clean. It I'm experiencing that kind of water flow here inside the house. Naranasan ko yan dati. Yung bagyong, grabe yung matinding bagyo ba, yung matinding, yung super typhoon before. I think it's a 1980s. The coconut trees and fall down in the house. Yeah, it's so very windy. And it's really so very scared at all time. That's year. That's year was I experienced the calamity at the super typhoon. I forgot the name of those typhoon, but I'm remember that a kind of like a windy coconut trees that are like this, then falling down the house, then the water so flow. Unsa ka dito nga why you're so very busy? So that's the kind of typhoon when I experiencing before in the 1980s. I don't think how many I experienced in high no high tide. It's the water in this is flow. It's flow. It's called flow in English. Water ba? Ganun. The experience was but now hindi ko na siya nararanasan. Oo. Nakakaranas naman yung the experience of what I experiencing is the other country. That other country cannot experience before. Now they experience na-experience kanila kung ano ang na-experience ko dati. Ano na lang dito sa amin. Oh, nakaano ko. Doon pala siya sa ano. Siya sa Regalia. Shikonda ako ang goods going down. Hindi dito na tayo sa loob. So, yun na. Yun na ang aking for today's video, everyone. See you next my next videos. Bye bye. Don't forget to like and share. Take care all.